Hosers abound and people of the world, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a Subaru that's definitely been Subaruing. As such, something that has been Subaruing for quite some time. It's come down with the case of Canada. It has succumbed to the Nova Scotia. This car has a K&N air filter.
So much torque, the chassis twisted coming off the line.
It's been washed. And here's a picture of what what whacking it against a plywood pallet looks like. Just, and, you know, the oil that lubricates and traps the contaminants in the filter, that still can weep by, and that can still affect your sensor. Now, yesterday I wanted to go and attack this. I wanted to, spray it down with some carb cleaner. And the screws here, one is good, one is pooched. Funny that. A quick trip with the old man to your local AIM auto wrecker place jobby. Break off whatever remains of those clips and undo your snorkelator. There we go. Okay, there we go. Just $20 for a cotton filter. It's easy. Just don't worry about this shit. Oh, wrong screwdriver. Ching! So, you want to play hardball, hey? No, you're not allowed to be like that. There you go, that's what I thought. In the bin with you. As you see this little O-ring, I'm gonna remove it. Ensure that there's no breaks or scuffs or anything like that. You can tell carburetor is a French word to begin with because it translates directly to do not fuck with. Sure stinks. Clean the inside sealing surface. Everything's hunky-dory. Put your O-ring back on. Skidunk. Woo! I'll take that. Ugh, this front end, it looks so lame. What are you gonna do about it? Oh yeah. First things first, before you even start, what you're gonna wanna do is, if your homie works at an auto detailing shop, get yourself some clear 3M PPF. This is the good stuff. My homie, you know who you are. Thank you. Cut 5 distinct pieces of PPF. Take yourself some Tainter's paint.
Oh, brother!
Forgive me for taking a jump cut. There just happens to be just some TCB that goes on with this sort of stuff. Of course, naturally, to test sound decibel readings, we gotta go through the rich part of town to make them know that we're doing better. Our poor selves are trying, damn it! What a lovely view. Okay, there we go. Huh? Oh. Oh, that was a wild dream. Oh. Oops.